My worm. Finally on all fours. Finally! She did it really good today. She's been doing it a bit for 2 days. She did it for the first time. But this is how she gets around still. Sarah! Where are you going? Up on all fours. Look. Don't you want to play with your diaper? You were playing with it before. No, you want to fall. Oh, there you go. Now she turns. All right. Destination. Are you a silly goose? Are you a silly goose? You look red in the video, but you're not red. And no, I'm tanned. I went to the beach and I got a tan. Look at that butt in the air. Ba-ba-doo-be-da-ba-doo, ba-ba-doo-be-da-ba-doo, ba-ba-doo-be-da-ba-doo. Yeah, yeah. Huh. Oops. Oh yeah, you want the phone. Of course. This is what it looks like to me, Sarah Grace's prey. Last moments of life.